Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. We had some pretty warm temperatures in the area yesterday, getting up to a daytime high of 71 degrees. A bit cooler for today with some cloudy skies and a few light rain showers out there as well. Looking across the region yesterday, again, 71 degrees here for a daytime high at Wallops, and much warmer conditions across the bay in the Tidewater region where we see high temperature of 81 reported at Norfolk, 77 degree readings coming in at Newport News and at Langley Air Force Base, and much cooler conditions off to our north. As you can see, some areas not getting out of the 50s yesterday, such as Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Overnight last night, temperatures pretty mild throughout the region, 50 degrees for an overnight low here at Wallops. And over the last 24 hours, we see some light precipitation, a little heavier amounts up in the Baltimore, Washington, D.C. area, where Baltimore coming in with just a little over a quarter of an inch. We saw 1/100th of an inch of rain here at Wallops. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the 50s, 55 degrees under cloudy skies here at Wallops. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 9,100 feet, and our winds out of a northerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, and then as we go up in height, they quickly become westerly in direction, and we keep a west to a southwest component all the way up to around 25,000 feet, where those winds really increase up to 105 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary just off to our south and east this morning, an area of low pressure off to the southwest will be approaching the region, bringing us some light rain showers over the course of the next couple of hours. Not anything real significant, as most of the shower activity will remain to our south, but we will get into the action on some light rain shower activity, which has already begun as of a few minutes here at the main base. Looking at our radar, you can see those showers, most of which are not hitting the ground, but we are seeing some light rain showers scattered along this group of showers that will be moving toward the region over the course of the next few hours into the afternoon hours today. So expect some light rain showers here or there as we go through the late morning and afternoon hours. Looking at our satellite imagery, you can see lots of cloudiness in the area this morning, and we're going to continue to see overcast conditions as we go through the day today, with really no breaks in the overcast expected as we go through the next several hours until we get into the evening hours tonight, as that cloud bank really shifts off to the south and east. Looking at our forecast maps over the next couple of days, you can see by later on this afternoon into the evening hours, those showers will push south of our region, and high pressure will make its way into the region this evening, clearing our skies and giving us clear conditions for the overnight hours, especially after midnight tonight. And then as we go into the day tomorrow, that high pressure at the surface will ridge pretty much right over top of the Wallops region, and we're going to see mostly clear skies continuing into the day on Tuesday. So we get into Wednesday, we'll likely see partly cloudy skies for the morning hours, and then an increase in our cloudiness as we go through the day on Wednesday, as we see this system from the west begin to overspread some cloudiness over the Wallops region by Wednesday evening. And it looks like by Thursday we'll start to see some showers, especially by Thursday evening. As this frontal boundary moves toward the Wallops region, we'll see an area of low pressure develop off the coast and really start to bring us a very good chance of some rain showers Thursday evening into Friday. And with that, we'll see some pretty windy conditions as well, as that area of low pressure begins to deepen off the coast and really take its time moving out of the area, as it'll be blocked by an area of high pressure off to the north. It will be slow to exit the region, so we'll likely see those rain showers continuing into Friday, see our highest winds likely occurring during the day on Friday as well, with possible gusts up to 40 to 45 miles per hour during the day on Friday, as that area of low pressure just kind of sits off the coast and deepens. Right now, not looking at a major flood threat for the coastal regions of the Delmarva Peninsula, as it does look like most of our winds will be out of a northwesterly direction. But that will be something we continue to monitor over the next couple of days. Right now, it just looks like some rain showers from Thursday evening into Friday, with the higher wind gusts occurring during the day on Friday before starting to calm down a bit during the day on Saturday. But Before we get to our extended forecast, I want to look at our next 24 hours in a little bit more detail. Those rain showers already beginning here at Wallops, so we'll continue to see those showers in the area from now until about 4 o'clock this afternoon, with temperatures running in the mid-50s. We'll also see our winds increase a bit out of the northwest up to around 8 to 13 knots, with some gusts up into the mid to upper teens. As we go into the evening hours, things will really clear out quickly as that high pressure pushes in from the northwest. We'll see our temperatures dropping into the upper 30s, down to around 37 degrees by early tomorrow morning, with that light northwesterly wind at 3 to 6 knots. We'll see those mostly clear conditions continuing into the morning hours, waking up with mostly sunny skies. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, again, not looking for really any kind of low ceiling issues as we go through the next 24 hours. We'll just see a few light rain showers here or there through the afternoon hours, and then by about 4 o'clock, most of that activity will be pushing out of the region. By 7 o'clock, we'll really start to see a pretty good decrease in our cloudiness, with mostly clear skies expected during the overnight hours, with unrestricted visibilities through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Our tide's currently running slightly above normal, and as we go into Tuesday, we'll see that high pressure ridging right over top of us, so we'll see mostly sunny skies, a very pleasant day for us with a daytime high of 55 degrees. Then as we go from Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll start out with a morning low of 33 on Wednesday before seeing those temperatures warming into the mid to upper 50s, looking for a daytime high of 57 degrees on Wednesday under partly cloudy skies in the morning, with those mostly cloudy skies expected during the late morning and afternoon hours. So for the next 7 days, looking at pretty quiet conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then as we get into the latter portion of the week, that'll be when things really pick up as far as the rain shower and the wind activity that we are expecting for the end of the week. Again, as that area of low pressure strengthens off the coast, Thursday night into Friday, we could see wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour by the end of the week. So if you have any loose items outside, make sure you keep tap on the weather conditions that are expected for the end of the week. You might want to pick those loose items up before the end of the week, as we are expecting some pretty windy conditions in association with that frontal boundary and that area of low pressure that develops off the coast. But expecting our rain showers primarily on Thursday and Friday, with clearing skies on Saturday. We'll still see some windy conditions for the most part on Saturday, but those winds should begin to die down during the afternoon on Saturday, and especially by Sunday should see things really improving around here, with mostly sunny skies expected on Sunday and a high temperature of 50 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.